Hi, and welcome to Why I Moved to Florida. My name is Christopher Beverly, and I'm here to turn your dreams into keys, and I have another one. This home can be yours for as little as $4,000 to $6,000 in total. We're in wonderful Sanford, Florida right now. If you don't know where that is, we're about 30 minutes north of Orlando, 40 minutes to the nearest beach, which is New Smyrna Beach, one of my favorite beaches, and an hour away from Disney, Universal, and iDrive theme parks. This particular property that we're at right now is priced at $385,000. It's a brand new home, so you'll be the first and only owner. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a fenced-in backyard. I'll talk about more about the financing and how this home can be yours between $4,000 to $6,000, but I've talked enough. Let's go check it out. I briefly wanted to discuss the financing for this home. I work with South State Bank, and they don't require down payments. Also, no PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. Going with South State Bank, you will save between $150 to $300 a month just by working with them. And again, the no down payment. That's why you can get into this home between $4,000 to $6,000. The seller is paying for the closing costs, so the $4,000 to $6,000 pretty much makes up your $2,000 deposit, your appraisal costs, your inspection costs, and the required closing costs that buyer has to pay to close on a home. Now, this is a lot of information, so I'll put everything I'm saying in the description below. Also, a link to apply with my lender below. Absolutely free of charge to apply. Even if you're not ready, like your credit scores are not high enough, which the minimum is 640, still apply. That way we can at least start the process and help you get to the finish line of owning a home. Be sure to check out my other video I made on the process of buying a home. It's only 8 minutes long. I break down the full process. That way, once you talk to my lender and you watch this video, you'll be ready and set to go. Be sure to like and subscribe, as I'll be posting house tours every week and also helpful tips for new and current homeowners. Be sure to like and follow, and I'll see you on the next one. Leave a comment on your suggestions for this video or anything you would like to see from this channel.